How to transfer Airbnb booking to new owner. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Transferring an Airbnb booking to a new owner is not a standard feature within Airbnb's platform, as bookings are tied to the account of the host who initially accepted the reservation. However, if you are selling your property or transferring the management of the property to a new host, you can manage the transition within the following steps. First, notify your guest. It's important to inform your guest about the change in host and property management well in advance. Make sure they understand who will be taking over the booking. Also, ensure that the new host is aware of the upcoming booking and is prepared to handle it. Next, transfer ownership. The new host should create a new listing on their Airbnb account for the property if they don't already have one. Also, the previous owner or host will need to either unlist or remove the listing from their account to avoid confusion. And the new host must ensure that the calendar is updated with the existing bookings. Also, about the next step, cancel the existing booking and rebook if needed. If transferring the booking directly is not feasible, the previous host may need to cancel the reservation and have the new host rebook the guest under their account. Further, change host information. Once the host has the booking, they should update any contact information, check in instructions, and house rules as needed. Also, maintain clear communications. Keep the guest informed throughout the process, ensuring they know who to contact for any issues before and during their stay. So, this was about how to transfer Airbnb booking to new owner. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.